You know how like you was born in the old school.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good. Stay sanitized, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. I know you've seen the title of the video. Listen, judge not lest you be judged, okay? Like, I feel like y'all came on this video judging, and that's not what we're here for. I just came to dance, and that's it. Okay, not really dance, but I came to post some items with y'all because y'all are my accountability partners, and y'all definitely be holding me accountable because y'all comment on my YouTube, y'all comment on my Poshmark, y'all comment on everything. You be like, hey, Candace, is this going to be on Poshmark? Y'all probably don't even be being funny, but I internalize and be like, oh, they're trying to be funny because I ain't posting nothing. But finna post some stuff now, and y'all gonna help me do it. So let me show you what we're working with right now. Again, we not judging. So y'all know I went through my closet. I cleaned my closet. And I took out stuff out of that closet. Now this closet 1 of 3. Progress, not perfection, okay? So this closet 1 of 3. And so I put all the stuff outside so that I can start the assembly line. Assembly line, you may ask. Okay, so these are the clothes and shoes that I have so far. This is from closet 1. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you an example. So say for example, I'm gonna post this dress. Now, this dress is something that I just bought actually. But I don't know if I want it or not. I'm on the fence. What's this? Oh, yeah, I don't want that because I know when I bought all this stuff on Fashion Nova. But, for example, this dress, I got 2 of these. So I'm gonna sell 1. So what I would do is I have some little bags like this. We'll put the item in the bag, post it on Poshmark. Come with me, follow me. Then I place it over here for production or to be staged. Ignore the gas can, ain't nothing in there. But it will be put in one of these bins so that when I get an actual order, I just come to the bin and grab the item and package it. All in one spot.
Didn't you do that before?
No, so this is new. I have my lovely assistant here. Apparently she's not gonna be on camera because, well, I mean,
You don't mean nothing.
okay, so let's get started.
I don't care.
Like I said, this dress is already, I still have the link for it, so all I gotta do is go to the website. I'm gonna screenshot the pictures. Hey, Fashion Nova, don't sue me. Hey, look. Just screenshot the pictures and I'm gonna copy and paste everything.
You ain't never wore it?
I don't want it.
So you got it from Fashion Nova, but you never wore it?
Yeah. Fashion Nova don't give refunds. It just takes too much time.
You can return
To take
it
it
to
back.
Forever 21. Wait, no, that's Shan. Never mind.
See, you finna get me excited. Okay, Poshmark got this new AI stuff now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so cropping the pictures. I'm showing them how I posted on Poshmark. I'm not looking at you. Okay, so it's got the category already. Like I said, it's this new AI thing. In the subcategory long sleeve, brand. We're gonna type in Fashion Nova. I'm showing y'all the first one, but the rest of them gonna go pretty fast. Price. So the original price, oh, it's on sale for $12. So I'll put it as 10. Yeah, I'll put it as 10. And I'm open to offers. I get them like bundles. I get them sometimes. But don't be afraid, y'all, to shoot your shot on your price, because most of the time I just be wanting to get rid of this stuff. So I'm willing to negotiate. Now, don't get crazy and try to lowball me now. $2? Yeah, $2 ain't gonna get it now. Because it take, what, $2 to get to the post office. Take a little more than $2. But what I'm saying is, it's new with tags, it's green. Well, it's like almost midnight, so y'all shouldn't be on Poshmark anyway. So I'm about to list them right now. Okay. Post it. Okay, so then, like I said, we get this and we take it over to the staging area. Bam! All right, let's move.
Welcome to Foot Locker. I mean, I have to.
That's what you look like? Okay. So you can put them in the thing. All of them. No, just the ones that I give you. Like this brown little 2-piece set can go because I got a picture of that. Put them in the plastic thing.
All of them?
Yes, please. Nice and neat. So now we're about to list this brown 2-piece. This actually came from Shein. Okay, the price of this one is, it's $12, so I'll put it for $8. Okay, we're about to list that red crop top. Why somebody just bought the dress that I had just posted. Lord, y'all was not playing with the girls. So we've listed, how many things we done listed? 3?
Yes.
Oh, we on the road. How many we gonna post tonight?
4. Don't ask me.
It's harder to post it on the phone. Like, you have to go through so many different prompts. Like, I think that's where the time comes in. It takes too much time. All right, what's next? Let's see. I have this exact dress in green. That's why I was trying to post it. What you think? I don't think I'm gonna wear it. I probably won't even wear the green one. I don't have no shoes to match.
Okay, just post it.
I like the green better though.
Okay, post that. Okay. You keeping it in this bag?
Yes. We making progress.
Woo.
How many is that? 5? 4? Yeah, so I gotta get another gazebo for the backyard, and then once I get the gazebo, I'll put the lights up, because I already got the lights.
I can't wait for this song to have something sleep over.
Where?
Here, a slumber party. It's gonna be just like Barbie.
So the original price is $44.99. They have it on sale for $21.99. So I list it for $15.
No.
What?
It's $29.99?
It's $21.99.
Oh. You doing that because it's a deal or something? Because
Yeah, I'm just getting rid of this stuff. I got a whole lot of stuff to list. Oh, I can do this. I should actually wear this dress for my birthday dinner, but not wearing the same dress. But this is a dress that I wore for Christmas pictures. So we're gonna list that. Okay, so every day we gotta post 2 things on Poshmark. You think 2? Or should I post more? How many should I post a day?
1.
I gotta post 1 every day.
4.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh, I can do 4 every day.
No, 2. I meant to say 2. I got
2 every day? Okay, I can do that.
I literally don't know what to get you. You literally have everything.
No, I don't. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be alone. Let go. All of the men.
Is that who
all the
sings it?
expensive car. No.
Who sings it?
Cisco.
Okay.
And Drew Hill. I can make believe
I wish I was born in
had-
that time.
Why?
Because it just seems so cool. And just so like,
Definitely. It was a
seems
time.
like I like the old vibes.
Excuse me? What do you mean? Oh. My palm your
My
butt.
shade.
All shade.
You know how like you was born in the old school. Back up. Why are you so close?
Because what is... Okay, so the original price is $49.99. They have it listed right now for $34.99.
That's tea for me.
So I'll list it for $25. Well, I listed 5 and one thing sold already. So we made some good progress from today. So I actually list the item. So when I get a notification that the item has been sold, I come out here and the item is that green dress, which is here.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some ice.
I'm about to come in. So since it's just one thing, what I'll do is put it inside of this package. Then we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna print off the label. So come on, y'all, let's go inside. Y'all can come in. Come on. Let's go. Do this light bulb need to be changed? I think this light flickering. Not right now. This is so ghetto. I'm gonna have to buy some light bulbs. But it's so high up. But let's see if my label printer is gonna work today. She's been giving me the blues. And I've been having to use my actual printer. See, it starts working and then it stops. It's pissing me off. It's like part in and the rest is out. And they say it's stuck, but it's not stuck. Like this. So I'm gonna have to print it off on regular paper and then cut it and tape it to the thing. Guess so. So the printer that I have, the label printer that's supposed to work, is this Munbin printer that I got from Amazon. It's pink and white. But what I'm having to use is my HP Envy Pro printer. The shenanigans. My trusty printer works. You know what? I feel like this is on label paper, and it is. I'm just messing up all the way around. So normally I would be printing from the label printer and then just peel and stick. But because, and I got these dull scissors. Because that printer isn't working, I have to do it this way. I'm gonna have to find a label printer. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just get on Amazon and order one tonight. Well, I probably don't need to order the same one because apparently I've ordered this one twice. Alright, so we got our label. Now I'm gonna affix it to the package. I hate this tape. I just need to get some more packing supplies. are packed and ready to go. So what I'll do is just drop this off at the post office. But that is how we pack a package. Make sure that y'all are following my Poshmark. The link will be down in the description box. Make sure y'all like this video and comment down below. Is there any specific items that you're looking for me to post on Poshmark? Maybe that can be pushed to the front of the line. Otherwise, oh Lord. But anywho, make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it, because we are in the 21 days of Candace. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.